This land is ancient. There is a power here. We evolved in intimate contact with the earth and the seasons. There is a hunger today to reconnect with our roots, to engage mindfully with the forests, mountains, and streams. To take our practice out of the studio, off of our mats and cushions, and into the wild. Something magical happens when we sit in a circle and practice listening from the heart. When we practice getting really quiet inside and watch the earth wake up to a new day. When we take a deep breath and slow down, our relationship with nature begins to expand. The sound of water, wind in the trees, the presence of ancient stones, crackling fire, the sky.